Callie.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm fantastic. What are we making?
So we are making the Sally. It got its name because I don't know if you're familiar with When Harry Met Sally.
Sure, yeah.
Everyone knows the scene. I'll have what she's having, right?
Yeah.
So I made this cocktail when I was at work one day, and then 4 more people got it. It's the Sally.
Nice, the Sally. Well, I'll have what Sally's having.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with 1 ounce of Elijah Craig rye.
Perfect. I am a rye drinker, big rye drinker. So that's, you're already right there in my lane. We're good. Starting off strong, Kelly.
Next, we're gonna do 1 ounce of homemade limoncello.
I literally just got back from Italy and spent a lot of time in Positano on the Amalfi Coast, and limoncello is, obviously, that's where it's from. They make Negronis there with limoncello, and I mean, if you like a Negroni, adding limoncello to it opens it up. It's amazing.
Yeah, I really like it. So I use Everclear in mine.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all right.
Okay, next we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of Mr. Black. I've been on a kick of adding orange peel to my coffee lately.
Huh?
And then I decided to try the lemon with it, and then lemon works really well with rye, so I really like this cocktail. I feel like everything's good about it.
Nice. I like it so far. I like every step of the way. Have you ever done this straight up like a martini style, or you think it's best on ice?
I actually haven't done it martini style. When I've done it before, I've actually just built it in the glass with the ice, and so then it chilled it. Yeah. I bet it would be good martini style.
Yeah.
Though.
I mean, it just has such great flavors. Just wondering, you know, it might be for trying. Ah, look at this, the split pour. Pro. That's a pro right there.
There we go. The
Give it a-
Sally.
Cheers, the Sally. Oh, wow. Yep, get that coffee nose. Oh, that's delicious.
I like the spice from the rye. I feel like
Yep.
it adds a little bit to the cocktail versus using just something a little more mild.
Yeah, I agree. And I'm a big fan of rye, especially in cocktails, because there's a lot of flavors coming in. Rye tends to be less sweet, tends to have a really nice whiskey forward flavor. And I love it. I just love the flavor of rye. But, you know, there's a lot of sugar in Mr. Black.
And in the limoncello.
And in limoncello. So using a rye instead of like a bourbon, which would be a corn-based sweet forward, is a perfect choice. This is delicious. Cheers.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. I love it.